Hi, I'm Jordana from Jordana Ticia Cosmetics. Watch me today to see how I create my go-to makeup look using some of our best-selling products. I'm going to go in with our Skin Juice Primer. This preps the skin beautifully before makeup because it is super duper hydrating. It's a water-based formula packed with ceramides to really boost that skin barrier. I'm all about using two products to get the best base possible. So I'm going to go in with our Hold It Still primer as well. This is a grippy primer, so we've moisturized and hydrated, and then we're going to get our longevity of our makeup with our Hold It Still. So this is a gel-like formula, not too sticky where it feels really uncomfortable on the skin, but sticky enough that it makes your makeup last all day long and grips it down. And I think some people are nervous to prime their skin because a lot of primers can peel on the skin, but using these is just going to prep the skin perfectly for makeup. Do you see how sticky it is? I've just done my base and now I'm going to do my favorite step of my makeup routine. This is our bronzer duo, one of our most viral products. This is a cult favorite for a reason. I'm using the shade Honey Glow and I'm going to take the cream part first with one of our brushes. This is JTF2 from the Face Brush Capsule Collection, and just dipping in, taking a little bit of product. Now our bronzer duo cream is high coverage, so you only need to use a tiny bit for your face. And I like to place it in all the areas that I want to bronze before blending it out. My forehead, I like to get the map of it first and then I'll blend it out after. That stops me putting on too much product all over the face. And then we are gonna blend it out. So I like to pull towards the hairline, especially when I'm doing my bronzer on my cheeks. What you don't want to do is place it and then drag it downwards. That's going to give you a droopy face that we don't want. We want to be lifted and snatched. So we pull upwards towards the hairline in soft drags. And then when it comes to the forehead, again, we're pushing backwards into the hairline. All of our products, we try and make them as user-friendly as possible. Anyone can use them, so they're super, super simple and easy to use. And my background is actually as a makeup artist, so one of the main techniques that I use when doing a client is using both a cream bronzer and a powder bronzer. So using two textures is what's gonna really give you that longevity. And this formula is great for all skin types, all ages, anyone can use it. And I like to take it a little bit through my eyelids just to balance everything out, give my face more dimension and more definition, make me just look a bit sun-kissed, like I've had a little holiday. So that was the cream, and I'll come back to the powder bit later once I've finished the rest of my makeup and got everything set. Now that I'm all bronzed, I'm gonna add a little bit of flush colour to my cheeks. So this is our Jordana Ticia blush duo, and I'm using the shade Salty Peach. Again, you've got your cream on the top and your matching powder on the bottom. So we're still on the cream part of our makeup look, so we're gonna go in with the cream. And I'm gonna use my JTF6 brush, which also comes in our Face Brush collection. Picking up a little bit of product, and I'm gonna smirk slightly. That little trick that people told you to do when you were a teenager still, in fact, works. And place the product right on that high point of the cheek. And again, I place the product before I blend it out, so I always look crazy at first, but you've got to trust the process. So I'm not picking up any more product. It's pigmented enough with that one swipe. Placed it exactly where I wanted the main focal point of my blush to be. And then I tap it in to blend and pull upwards again to soften those edges. And I think a really nice little tip with blush is I bring it up quite high towards my eye. And every time I do a client, they love the blush placement. And to me, it's second nature to put blush on like that. But it just is a really nice technique for lifting the face and giving you that cutesy doll-like look. So that is my cream blush done. Now we're gonna set everything and go in with our powders. I am less dewy than I was a second ago, so I have set my whole face with setting powder because I'm now gonna go over the top with the powder part of my products, but we're gonna add the glow back at the end, so don't be alarmed. Taking my JTF10 brush from the Face Brush Capsule Collection, and I'm going straight back in with my bronzer, but the powder part this time, and we're going to go over all the areas that we previously bronzed. This adds extra definition to the makeup, and this is what's going to make your makeup last all day long. So this is our blush duo again. So we used Salty Peach previously, the cream. Now we're going to go in with the bottom part, which is your powder part. We're going to swirl our brush in it, pick up a nice amount of product, and this brush is JTF4. You can see this one is really flippy floppy. It doesn't pick up too much product, so it gives you a really diffused cheek without looking super, super pink. It's just gonna blend it out really softly and beautifully. Nice and high to my eyeline, how I like it for that lifted effect. And you can build this up to the intensity that you want. So now that my base is done, it's time for eyes. I'm gonna go in with my not so basic eyeshadow palette, and this is in the shade Original Nudes. Beautiful, warm tones that complement my skin tone perfectly. So I'm gonna take JTE 5 and the shade Pisces. This is a gorgeous, super warm transition shade. Gently through the crease of my eye to add definition and warmth to the eye. But what I like to do is follow the socket. My socket ends here. So I'm gonna follow that line. So just blend that really softly. And this is a step that I would do with pretty much any eye look. I'd always take a transition shade through this area of the eye. I'm gonna go in with the shade Divinity, which is a smidge more earthy tone and a smidge deeper. We're gonna keep it quite tight to the socket area. And this brush is perfect for this because it's still a nice fluffy blending brush, but it's actually quite flat at the same time, so you can really control your shadow with it. I'm like tickling, feathering the edges. I'm quite happy with that. So now we're gonna take a shade all over the lid. If you wanted to go smoky at this point, this is when you go in with a deeper shade on the lid. I'm gonna do the opposite and go in with a light shade on my lid, but it's essentially the same steps either way. So it's super, super easy to get a natural eye look or a smoky eye look. I'm gonna take JTE 10 and the shade Luna. I'm gonna pack this over our lid. So you just press it in and build up that colour. And now that that colour is placed, we'll go back to one of our transition brushes. I'm not gonna pick up any more product, and I'm just gonna soften those edges. I'm gonna take the shade Gaia on a pencil brush. This is JTE 7, and what we're gonna do is just smoke out our lash line very softly. You could also do the same with a deeper brown, a black, anything. Looks really nice at this part of the eye, just to add a little bit of smoke. I'm gonna take my JTE 9, this is one of my favorite brushes, shade Divinity, and we're gonna just balance out our eyes by adding a little bit of smoke under the eye, because you can see we've got the shadows on the top but nothing underneath, so we wanna balance that out. At this point you can just soften any edges. So the base for my eyes is done, but it would be rude for me to not talk about the Gummy Twinkle Sticks, because this is probably the product that we are best well known for. This is the most unique formula and can transform an eye look from day to night in a matter of seconds. Fairy Garden. This is a stunning shade. It's a mix of pink and silver flecks. So it's giving you a pop of colour without anything too much. So if you're a neutral babe but want to try some colour on your eyes, Fairy Garden's perfect for that because it's so subtly pink. Sugar Bubbles. This is a true rose gold shade. And because they've got that water-based formula, they look almost wet. I'm obsessed. Let's use Sugar Bubbles. What I like to do is tap them on the eye because I want it to look like a subtle sparkle with high impact. I also think these make a really nice bridal kind of piece to add that little special touch to your makeup on your special day. And it's just totally transformed the eye look from something quite soft and simple to something with immediate impact. For lip liner, I'm going to use Hazelnut Harmony in our lip pencils. Our lip pencils are fantastic, if I say so myself. They are a really gorgeous creamy formula, but in a sharpenable pencil. Now that we've got our lip shape all done with our lip liner, we're going to go in with our Sheer Look lipstick. I'm going to use the shade Perfect Nude, and this really is the perfect nude. It's called that for a reason. It suits every skin tone. It's just super nourishing, hydrating, and it doesn't feel like it's sucking the life out of your lips. It feels like you're giving your lips a little bit of a treat. I love that lip combo. Now that I've put all that effort into my makeup, we have to lock it in, add that hydration back because we mattified the face so much with setting with powder. We want to add some dewiness back to the face. First step is our Skin Juice Hydrating Mist. This is what is going to give you glass skin. It is glass skin, glazed donut in a bottle. Give it a good shake, and what we're going to do is spritz, and you'll see how the life comes back to my face. That is now dried down. Think of this as your powder melting spray, and this just melts them all together. You can see how the life has been added back into my skin. It is infused with hyaluronic acid and glycerin for that nice dewy effect, and it just makes your makeup look more like skin let's lock everything in place with our Hold It Still setting spray. And this has a really nice fine mist to it, so it never feels too heavy. Thank you so much for joining me for this tutorial. I hope you found it useful and informative, and you can now shop Jordana Ticia at spaceandk.com.